Should you trade forex or stock? Which market you need to choose to start your trading, and which is the most profitable market that you need to choose to start your trading? So in this video I am going to discuss that which market you need to choose to start your forex trading. So let's get started. Yo, what's up guys, this is Keshav, a blogger, social media influencer, a forex trader and the founder of trendingknowledge.com. You are welcome to my channel Trending Knowledge. So guys, in this video I am going to discuss a major difference between a forex market and the stock market. Yeah, actually it is very hard to predict whether you should choose a stock market or a forex market. Both of the markets have their benefits and drawbacks too. Okay, so if we talk about in terms of the trading hours, then forex trading is open 24 hours and 5 days a week, but stock market is typically open between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and 5 days a week from Monday to Friday. Okay, so if we see in terms of the leverage, it is up to 300:1 in the forex trading or in the forex market, and if we talk about in the stock market, there is a ratio of 2:1. So if we talk about in terms of structure, forex market is the over the counter, and in the stock market it is over the counter plus exchange traded. Okay, and if we talk about in terms of the fees, then there is a spread in the forex market, but in the stock market there is a spread plus commission and also some of the additional fees. If we talk about volume, then there is a volume about $5 trillion a day in the forex market, and in the stock market there is only $100 billion. If we talk about trading decisions, then there are only 8 major currency pairs in which you can trade, but in the stock market there are about 5,000 companies in the US only. In terms of the order execution, there is an instant order in the forex trading, but in the stock market there can be a delay to make an order. Okay, now if we talk about in terms of security, then major currency pairs will not fail, but in the stock market companies can be fail without a notice. And in terms of the capital, you can start with minimum $100 in the forex market, but if we talk about the stock market, then it's only depend on the shares of the price. If we talk about complexity, then there are only 4 major currency pairs so that you can track them, but if we talk about in terms of the stock market, then there are thousands of stocks so in which you can make your tabs. If we talk about the financial friction, then a trader can buy or sell directly by the spot trading. It means it is not centralized. And if we see in terms of in the stock trading, then a middleman is always required to buy or sell the stocks. Okay, so there are some of the major differences that you need to understand between a forex market and stock market. But if you want to make quick money, then which market you should choose? Then I always recommend you to choose always a forex trading. Okay, not stock trading, because you can make quick money. If you want to earn in the stock trading, then you need to invest for long times, but in the forex trading you can make thousands of dollars in just 1 minute or a seconds. But always remember one thing, you need to be a risky. If you have a more courage to take risk, then you can make money and instant money more. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button also. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe also. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Have a good day guys.